ladies! I don't know about you, but I always wondered if there is a difference between a Perm Rod set and a Flexi Rod set. So today I just gave it a try and see if there is a difference with the curl pattern, if there is a difference, you know, with drying time, how long it stays on my hair, if like one is, you know, one curl is longer than the other one. I just finished now, so I'm gonna go under the dryer and I keep you posted. So if you want to know the result, just stay tuned.
Alright, so we're gonna quickly compare the Perm Rod and the Flexi Rod, and the Perm Rod is much shorter than the Flexi Rod, but they've got the same diameter. So I'm gonna just roll the hair around the rods. I used some Eco Styler gel today. So I use roughly the same amount of Flexi Rods and Perm Rod, and I'm gonna just go under the dryer for like an hour and then let it just cool down for another 30 minutes. When it's totally dry, I'm gonna just unroll all those rods. We can start to see a little bit of difference already. Let's just unroll a little bit more the curls. And now we're going to do a comparison between the Perm Rod set and the Flexi Rod set. So let's start with the curl length. So I've noticed in this video the curls are much longer using Flexi Rods compared to Perm Rods. But I guess it depends on the technique that you use when you do Flexi Rod sets, because you can really play with the length of the curls with a Flexi Rod set. Now the volume. In this video I've noticed that I've got slightly more volume using Perm Rods compared to Flexi Rods, but I guess the more elongated the curls are, the less volume you're gonna have using Flexi Rods. Let's move on to the drying time. So I've noticed that it takes slightly less time to dry my Flexi Rod set compared to my Perm Rod set, but I guess it's because when we use Perm Rod, we almost, you know, roll the hair on itself, so it's much longer for the hair underneath to dry. I've noticed that the curl from a Perm Rod set lasts longer than the one from the Flexi Rod. I think it's because of the length as well. So I guess the longer the curl are, the less they're gonna last. I don't know about you, but I think it's much more comfortable to sleep with Perm Rods compared to Flexi Rods, because Flexi Rods can be very uncomfortable to sleep with. So to resume, I think Perm Rod sets are fantastic for fine hair because it's gonna give you more volume. And I think as well it's very cool if you got like very long hair but you miss having like a shorter afro, so you can really, you know, like shrink your hair into a cute curly afro. On the other hand, Flexi Rod sets are great for shorter hair because you can really